Hey friends, thanks for joining me. I need some more bench stops. These are super handy, super useful, but I want them made out of wood so that my projects don't get dented by a hard piece of metal. So I'm gonna make them on the lathe. Okay, so a good bench stop, I think, has a nice square top where you can really get that piece of wood right next to it and get a nice tight grasp on it. So what I have is I've made these in the past, and I think a poplar works really good for bench stops. It's not very hard, and so it doesn't dent your wood that you're using, but it's hard enough that it's not just going to dent really easy and just become garbage after 6 months or so. So I have this square piece of poplar. I'm gonna put it on the lathe here, and before I do that, I'm gonna mark out how far down I want. And what I'll probably do is mark out here, then flip that over, mark out there, and then this in the middle is going to be that diameter. And so I'll be checking this with calipers on the lathe, but I wanna make quite a few of these so I can resupply all the ones that have been damaged over the past, 4 years since I've last made them. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and try that, folks. When I'm working on this, I'm getting some flex in this, and I'm afraid it's gonna go too much and break. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna cut here, 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 and I'll have 4 new wood bench tops. Oh, it looks like we're just a little bit big for that one. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to take my sandpaper and get it smaller for that one. Let's try this one over here. Oh, we're just right there. Ah, we're so close. So I should have gone just a little bit more on the lathe to get those down just a little bit more. So I'll sand these and I'll get them to fit, and then we will have new bench stops for our benches. Hey, thanks so much, friends, for watching. It's always a learning experience, right? I learn I need to go down a little bit farther. And so since I didn't, I'm gonna have to put in the elbow grease and do a little bit more sanding. Not that big a deal. I can do that. I'll have the time. I'll be watching students work and I'll just sand them. So not that big a deal. But hey, make sure you work hard, friends, because hard work is its own reward, and that's how we get better. We get better when we work hard mentally. We get better when we work hard physically. Thanks for watching.